Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where additional free space is needed on the drive where Windows is installed on Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, why would you get this message when Windows is already installed? So whenever you try to update Windows, it may add or subtract a little bit space on your system. And to accommodate for that, here's what you can do. You don't need a lot of space, just a little bit of it. So first search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and then click on disk cleanup. Click on OK and then you can check all of these boxes here. OK, and then you can click on OK and then you can click on delete files to delete these files. So this is the first approach. The next one will be to activate storage sense. So search for storage and sense and then go to storage settings. Okay, there is an option here for storage sense. Just turn it on and make sure that this is set at during low free disk space. This has to be set at this one. Now if these two solutions do not fix your problem, though it is my belief that they will, but if they do not fix your problem, then you can delete the downloaded files on your system. So go to the downloads folder, okay, and find a few heavy files like this one and right click and delete it so that you can make space for more files on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.